In this video, we are going to be analysing Carnival Cruise Line's ticker CCL. We did do analysis on this on the weekend. The levels have kind of slightly moved, so we just want to cover it ready for the day. But even if you're paying attention to the old levels, wouldn't really matter. They're all pretty much the same, but just wanted to give some updated analysis on this. So you can see all the levels are already here, color-coded to make everything easy to see. Golden levels, first deviations. Blue levels are second deviations. Green levels are third deviations. Dash lines are 6 month. Straight lines are 1 year charts. So again, if you're watching this channel more, that will make more sense to you. You won't really have to think about it. Everything will be clear. But what we can see, no matter what, is where are we? We're above our third deviation on the 6 month, and we're coming close to it. We're above it on the 1 year. We're coming close to it on the 6 month. When you're at or above that third deviation, this is a really you're considered really overbought. You're extremely overbought. So when I see something like this, I'm looking at it short bias because I don't think that overall uptrend will continue with this same momentum. We can see right now we're having a really strong bit of momentum. Obviously, there is a fundamental catalyst. They have had a price target change by a few places. I think they have both Bank of America and JPM, so two big names upping their price targets. And so it's not to say I'll be hitting this short right away, because you do want to let this kind of fundamental analysis play out first, or the fundamental news play out first. But coming into the end of today or coming into tomorrow, once that news has been a bit more priced in, then again, we're still overbought, we're still overvalued. So to me, I still would be looking at playing that short bias opportunity. So again, anytime above 14.25 is going to be a good entry, but I have tried to put it off a bit more. Usually I would have entered as soon as we hit this level, but again, considering we've had that news come out today from JPM and Bank of America, I am being a bit more patient, because we will probably hit to this 15.25. So again, that's what I'm waiting for. Then even if we hit that today, I'll probably start taking in some small size short bias just to jump in with this trend. But overall, I'm not going to be jumping in with massive size on the stock overall, or at all, for the main reason being we're at short bias levels because we're overbought. But what is the key thing to be paying attention to? On the 6 month chart, we are uptrending. On the 1 year chart, we are uptrending. When we see this, I don't want to be shorting this too heavy, because again, the shorter and the longer term trend are both bullish. So don't want to be stupid with this. I want to be catching the overbought areas and trading back down to fair value, but it means we are going to take smaller size because you are taking on more risk, and it also means we're going to take profits quicker, just because again the overall trend is still bullish. So it means if I'm getting short in this range here, my first target is going to be $13.85, then $13, $12.50, and probably $12.50 is where I'll be getting out completely. Reason for that is, again, that's kind of testing that previous high or previous highs high. So that makes sense to take in profits. And then you're also coming into that first deviation on the 6 month. So again, kind of two reasons to be locking in profits coming into this area. Would be a nice pullback as it is. And then it's not that overbought coming into this level. So you may see investors and traders, being a bit more bullish and buying in once again. So that is my main breakdown on Carnival Cruise Lines. Again, yes, I'm short bias on it now, but overall it is a bullish stock. The 6 month and the 1 year tells us that. The price targets increase are telling us that. So even though we're going against the overall trend, again, it's going to be a short term play. We're looking to trade this probably within a week or so. Get out as soon as it comes down to fair value. Get out. But that's how I'm looking at trading it. Again, that's me being a reversal trader. If you're a trend trader, that strategy probably isn't going to be for you, and instead you're probably just going to want to wait for pullbacks to these levels, and that's potentially entries to get long bias at. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, you will probably enjoy this video too.